Did you know that chocolate, especially dark chocolate, is often regarded as a nootropic? That's right, this sweet treat has more to offer than just satisfying your taste buds. It contains several components that can enhance cognitive function and mood. First up is flavonoids. These powerful antioxidants found in cocoa have been shown to improve blood flow to the brain. This can enhance cognitive function, particularly in areas related to memory and attention. A sharper mind and better memory, all thanks to a bite of chocolate. Next we have theobromine, a compound that acts as a mild stimulant, less potent than caffeine. It can provide a gentle boost in energy and alertness without the jitteriness often associated with caffeine. Moreover, theobromine has mood-enhancing properties. So feeling low? A square of dark chocolate might just do the trick. Don't forget about caffeine. Although present in smaller amounts than in coffee, the caffeine in chocolate can still contribute to increased alertness and improved concentration. A perfect companion for those late-night study sessions or work deadlines. Now let's move on to phenylethylamine, or as it's often referred to, the love drug. PEA is a neurotransmitter that can induce feelings of well-being and excitement. It's been suggested that PEA can enhance mood and promote a feeling of happiness. Now it's clear why we reach for a chocolate bar when we're feeling down. Anandamide, sometimes known as the bliss molecule, is another neurotransmitter found in chocolate. It can create a mild euphoric feeling and plays a role in mood regulation. This compound contributes to the overall pleasurable experience of eating chocolate. Lastly, we have magnesium. Chocolate is a good source of this mineral that is important for brain health. Magnesium can help with stress reduction, sleep improvement, and overall cognitive function. While these potential benefits make chocolate, especially dark chocolate, sound like a superfood, it's essential to remember to consume it in moderation. Its high calorie and sugar content can offset these benefits if overindulged. For those looking to incorporate chocolate as a nootropic, opt for high-quality dark chocolate with a high cocoa content, ideally 70% or higher. This way, you can maximize the potential cognitive and mood benefits while minimizing sugar intake. So, the next time you're enjoying a piece of chocolate, remember, it's not just a sweet treat, it's a complex concoction of compounds that might just be giving your brain a delightful boost.